Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check for hardware failures on your PC or laptop. So if you're using a Windows PC and you want to check for any hardware failure, if you suspect any hardware failure, you go ahead and you click the Windows key on your keyboard. This is the first thing that you can do, and you can check for RAM failure. So just simple type in Windows memory diagnostic, you will find it. Click on that and you'll receive a pop-up. Now it's going to give you two options. You want to go ahead and click restart now to check for problems. So if you click on this option, that's what is recommended. It's going to show you after the restart what it has found. Now the next thing that you can do is check your hard drive or your SSDs, and for that you want to go ahead and open up your command prompt. So go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard, simple type in CMD and right click and run this as administrator. And what you want to do is simple go ahead and type in the following command: chk dsk space c colon. So the first command that you want to type in here is chk dsk space c colon space /f space /r. And once you go ahead and enter here, you can go ahead and schedule this to do a check the next time your PC restarts. Now, the next thing you want to do is open up the CMD once more. So I'm going to type in the CMD and again, right click and run this as administrator. And this time you want to go ahead and type in perf, MON space /report. Go ahead and hit enter and you should receive a pop-up of resource and performance monitoring. This is going to go through and collect data over the next 60 seconds as it says, and so you want to allow it. It may take longer, but you just want to go ahead and be patient, and it's going to go through and do all the checks, and it's going to let you know what it found. And you can go through this list that it's going to provide, or the report that's going to provide, and show you what it has come back with to see where the problem is as well. So this is also something that you can check. I recommend you do it and you will see. Now I'm going to give it a moment to wait for mine to do the checks so that you can see what a full report looks like. And as you can see now, it is generating the report, so this should be ready anytime soon. And there you have it, guys. So this is what the report looked like. You can go through, you can see what is passed, what has failed, and all those different things. And you can go ahead and you can expand each section just to check what is there. This is a full report that you can quickly check. So that's it, guys. That's how you can go ahead and check for hardware failures on your Windows PC or laptop by using these solutions. Very easy and very simple.